What's going on, guys? All right, so we're doing something a little different today, a little artsy fartsy. I'll show you guys how we make steel roses. Everybody loves steel roses, other than me. Other than my hands, I should say. So what we're gonna do is, I got some, usually what I do is I build them out of stainless and copper, and then use a 1/2-inch square bar. I think I have a 1/2-inch square bar already twisted up. Yeah, so I'm gonna whip one of these up. I already started cutting one of the petals, and I usually just like kind of freehand it. Little Sharpie and tin snips. This is like 16 gauge copper, so I'll do that. I'll plasma cut out some stainless ones because it's a little bit easier on the hands. Now I'll show you how we put some texture in there. Put some texture in there, bolt it all up, bend it all up, make it look nice and let it rip. Make sure you guys hit that like button, comment down below, let me know what you guys think of these metal roses. If you guys want some, I guess I'll make some. I'm currently working underneath the race car because I got nowhere else to put it right now. There's no front end on the thing. So cut up a couple of these pieces, show you my boop, 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 snip snips. Plasma cut out a couple stainless ones, get it all assembled, get her bent up, let it rip. Show you guys how we do it. Do it the cool way, the good way, make them look good. Making roses, hating my life. Okay, so here I'm just cutting up some copper with some tin snips. I usually put 4 petals on each layer and then draw out a bigger circle for another layer and then cut that out with tin snips as well. Here I'm doing the same thing with the stainless. I'm just going to plasma cut this out. Same thing, making my layers a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller as needed. I'm just freehand some petals on there. It doesn't matter what they look like. Just make them 4 or 5 petals each. Didn't quite get that one, so we'll just go and clean that up. Grind off all the kerf on the back side. Drop the petal across the ground. So here I got a little body hammer, and I just like to hammer the edges and throw a little bit of texture on the petals. And that kind of livens it up a little bit, takes away some of the hard edge and gives the softer edge near the end. I'll take my 3/8 machine bolt or machine screw, whatever you want to say, and I tap the end of the 3/8 or that 1/2-inch rod. That way I can just screw it right into the bottom side. Okay, so we'll just take some linesmans, some channel locks, and some needle nose pliers, and basically start rolling the edges up. You take your channel locks near the base of it and kind of pinch down to keep that circle, kind of keep the circle going down at the base by the bolt. So right here you can see I'll grab the channel locks and just kind of pinch the base in just to keep the bottom nice and tight. Fold the edges down. As you're folding it down, you kind of push it up. And you get a nice pretty rose. Every rose that gets made gets lit on fire. It looks cool and it's fun.
Common problem here at Chrome to Envy is Randy never likes to film outros. Well, it's not that he doesn't like to, he just always forgets to. So I figured I'm gonna do the outro. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video of the rose. Leave some comments down below what you thought of it. If you want some made, or even maybe just to ask him questions about it, I'll leave his Instagram and everything and all his socials down below. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because it's free and you should do it. You wanna be here. Yeah, I don't know how to do these outros. So Randy, please remember to do outros. Peace, guys.